Color swatches let customers visualize product variants, for example red, blue, with clickable circles or squares instead of drop-downs, boosting UX and conversions. Native in online store 2.0 themes, Dawn, etc. Older themes need code or apps. Free setup via theme editor. Steps, admin dashboard. Setup variants, products, edit product, variants, add option, for example, color, values, red, blue. Upload unique images per variant. Save. Enable swatches in theme, online store, themes, customize, current theme. Navigate to product page. Click product information or variant picker block. In settings, style, select swatches or color swatch. Shape, circle or square. Map colors, match variant names or upload swatch images. Save. Optional. Use meta fields. Advanced. Settings. Custom data. Products. Add color swatch meta field. Type, file or color. Link in theme code. Liquid.